Today I'm going to teach you how to disable your camera permanently in Microsoft Teams. This is particularly useful if you want to ensure your camera stays off during meetings or if you're dealing with privacy concerns and want complete control over when your camera can be accessed. First, we need to access the Device Manager on your computer. This is where Windows keeps all the hardware controls for your system. To find it, simply click the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up your Start menu and search bar. In the search field that appears, type Device Manager and you'll see it pop up in the results. Go ahead and click on Device Manager to open it. Once Device Manager opens, you'll see a list of different hardware categories for all the components connected to your computer. What we're looking for here is the Cameras section. Scroll through the list until you find Cameras and click on it to expand that category. This action will reveal all of your camera devices that are currently installed on your computer. You might see one or multiple cameras listed here depending on your setup. For most laptops, you'll typically see your built-in webcam listed. Now that you can see your camera devices, locate the specific camera you want to disable, right-click on that camera device, and a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Disable Device. This is the crucial step that will prevent Microsoft Teams or any other application for that matter from accessing your camera. After you click Disable Device, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. Windows wants to make sure you really intend to disable this hardware, as doing so will prevent all applications from using it. Go ahead and click Yes to confirm your choice. Once you do this, the camera will be immediately disabled, and you'll notice the camera icon in Device Manager might change to show it's no longer active. And that's it. Your camera is now permanently disabled at the system level, which means Microsoft Teams won't be able to access it during meetings. If you ever need to re-enable your camera, simply follow the same steps, but instead of clicking Disable Device, you'll click Enable Device. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.